The shape builder tool you can find right here in this icon that's called shape builder tool. You can also click here and find the name over the tools in this icon here, shape builder tool. Good. Guys, the most important fundamental about the use of shape builder tool is that you only will work with vector shapes. Let's do this. I'm going to add 2 circles just like that. Like this. What's important for you to understand the shape builder tool is that it works in the intersections between one shape and another. To make this more clear and easy for you, I'm going to activate a navigator mode by click on here, and I will leave the split view mode as X-ray, and I will move this to here, and you start to notice that we have this result of seeing the shapes in X-ray. This is good because now you can understand how you can use the shape builder tool in this way here. Shape builder tool, you must select the shape that you want to apply. You can merge the objects just like dragging and merge by clicking on here on top. It's going to merge as one single shape, or you can subtract by selecting and click here on top to subtract. Shape builder means you can build the shapes accordingly to the intersections of shape builder tool. It is this. Let's say that you start to create a kind of shape like this. I will add this one here, another is going to be placed in the middle. Can you see already what is this shape in the middle that we are doing? Let's keep it up. I'm going to start to add here that case. I will add a rectangle, can be placed here below. Okay, just like that. And from this position that we are, let's explain to you how this will perform. Can you see that as we add the shapes, it's hard to see where are the intersections? We cannot see very well. That's why I like to use this way here, because you can see the intersections. And what we want, it is to extract this area here. We want to keep this area and to delete external areas. The main idea about the use of shape builder is that you do this. You must select the layers that you want to apply. Like this. These layers are selected. Then I'm going to click, drag, and like drawing. You're gonna have this layer selected. If you want to add more layers, just click like this. Now, if I hit this button, which is the minus icon, it's going to delete everything that we placed. As you can see, now Affinity deliver us this design result. I can make this as, let's say, red, and this as white. And then we're gonna have the body of a rocket. Alright? So shape builder tool, it's very great to make this purpose here. Subtract or merge.